In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you could show or hide desktop icons on Windows 11. If you do find this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for even more tutorials like this. And if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Whether your desktop icons are currently visible or not doesn't necessarily matter, and we're going to walk you through how you can change this. First things first, find an empty space on your desktop and right click it. This menu is going to appear and you're going to want to hover your mouse over this little view options to pull up something that looks like this. In this next menu, and be careful because if you scroll off of it too far it may disappear, but look for the option that says show desktop icons and go ahead and click on it. If it's checked, all the icons are going to be visible, and if you uncheck it, it's going to hide all of your desktop items. So once again, to showcase this process, right click anywhere on an empty space on your desktop, go ahead and find the view option and then find the show desktop icons right here. Click it again to show every single one of them. But that really is it. It really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.